Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So in this lecture, we are going to discussing one of the important topic from this unit, that is equations of a circle, intersection of a sphere and a line. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, equation of a circle with the intersection of a sphere and a line. You can see the diagram related to this concept here. Sphere through a given circle. Okay, on screen you can see one sphere equation. This is the total sphere equation. Okay, and one plane is also there and one circle is also there. So whenever you imagine a circle means you have to imagine this total part including with this plane and circle. Okay, so whenever you see a circle in the sphere, so that circle is always comes with the combination with a plane. Okay, now the topic is a sphere passing through a given circle is nothing but along with circle one plane is also there. Okay, so you have to imagine in this format. So now you can see the question: find the equation of the sphere, find the equation of the sphere through the circle. What is the given circle? X square plus y square plus z square equal to 9. And what is the given plane? 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5. That is the given plane. And those two are that sphere passing through the point 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now you can see this is the plane. So whatever we have in that diagram, this is the plane. That plane equation you know very well. 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 5. Okay. So I am writing here equation of the plane. 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5. This is the plane equation. And here I am also writing circle equation. What is the circle equation? So x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. Okay. The circle equation is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. This is the circle equation. And whatever we are going to find the required sphere, that sphere passing through one point, that point here I am writing. Okay, so if you take that point as capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, wherever you can put that point. Otherwise, at the point of intersection also we can take that one. Here you can see. Okay, so you can take that point capital A here or their intersection point. Intersection point means we can also take that point as here. So that is capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, their intersection point. Just imagine in 3-dimensional, the required sphere passing through a circle and passing through one point. So this is the diagrammatical representation of the entire problem. So now we can start the solution of the problem. Okay. So given equation of the circle x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9, and we are taking that let capital S is congruence to, let capital S, this symbol you know very well, congruent symbol. Okay, so whenever you are going to denote an equation with a standard notation, then we can use these types of symbols. Okay, so congruence, we can call it as congruence, that is symbol equality. So S is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 is equal to 0. Given equation of the plane 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5. But that plane also here we are going to give the standard notation with capital U. Let capital U is congruence to, let capital U is congruence to 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. That is the notation for the plane. Now the equation of the sphere passing through this circle. Circle is nothing but not only this one, circle is also included with along with the plane. So whenever you see the word or you listen the word circle in this chapter, you have to come across the circle equation along with the plane. Okay, that is the meaning of the circle. At the introduction video only I explained clearly we have 3 types of circles in this sphere topic. Okay, so through this circle, the equation of the sphere through the given circle is S plus KU is equal to 0. Where what is S? You know very well the given circle. And what is U? Given plane. And what is K? K is a parameter. K is a parameter. That means we'll get one constant. That k value we have to be determined. Okay, so k value we have to be determined. So after determining the k value, substitute in the given equation number 2 amma. So then from there you will get the required sphere equation. Substitute s and u equations in equation number 1. So what is the s equation? X square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus k into 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. Just we are substituting the corresponding circle equation. Okay, so take it as equation number 2. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the sphere through a given circle. Okay, so now the sphere equation 2 passes through the point 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now substitute in place of x, y, z amma, substitute 1, 2, 3. So therefore x square in equation number 2. In equation number 2, here you can see. So this is the equation number 2 amma. So if you substitute all the values in place of x, y, z, so you will get x square, y square, z square and 2x plus 3y plus 4z. Just substitute those values as 1, 2, 3. So then 2 square plus 3 square minus 9 plus k into 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. So 1 plus 4 plus 9 minus 9 plus k into 2 into plus 6 into plus 12 minus 5 is equal to 0. Plus 9 minus 9 will get cancelled. So 1 plus 4 is the 5 plus k into 2 plus 6 plus 12, 17 minus 5, sorry, 9, 20 minus 5, 15 not 17, 20 minus 5 equal to 15. So therefore send this 5 value to RHS, 15k is equal to minus 5. So I want k value, k is equal to minus 5 by 15, 5 ones are, 5 threes are, we can cancel. So k is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this is the parameter value. So remember, parameter always exists in real numbers only, sometimes positive, negative. Okay, so that parameter will never become the 0. So therefore k is equal to minus 1 by 3. Substitute in equation number 2. So therefore then we get from equation number 2, if you substitute the k is equal to minus 1 by 3, x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus of k value minus 1 by 3 and plane equation equal to 0. Now take that LCM 3. 3 is the LCM. So multiply with that LCM. 3 into x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 minus 1 into 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. Send this 3 value to RHS. 0 into 3, 0. So next to multiply with 3. 3x square plus 3y square plus 3z square. 3 nines are 27. Okay, minus is there, minus 27. And multiply with minus each and every value. Minus 2x, minus 3y, minus 4z, minus into minus plus 5 equal to 0. So now add up if you have the same values, otherwise rewrite the total equation. 3x square plus 3y square plus 3z square minus 2x minus 3y minus 4z. Okay, now see, minus 27 plus 5. Minus 27 plus 5 is equal to minus 22. So we can also write this equation as, if you take 3 common from the x square plus y square plus z square, okay, and minus 2x minus 3y minus 4z minus 22 equal to 0, we can also write in this form also, even if you take that 3 common. Okay, so in this format we have to find the required sphere equation. Just after finding the equation of the sphere, once cross check, if you substitute the point 1, 2, 3, that point should satisfy the given equation. Okay, so now let's check that condition. So first of all, substitute 1, 2, 3 point in place of x comma y comma z. So 3 into 1 plus 2 square means 4 plus z means 9 z square. 3 square means 9 minus 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3. Okay, minus 22. So that value is equal to, so 3 into, we have to make equal to 0. Don't write equal to 0. Even if you write equal to 0, we have to show LHS equal to 0. So therefore 1 plus 4 9, 1 plus 4 5 plus 9. What is the value? 14. 14 3 is the manaki entante 14 3 is the 42. So I am writing here that value. So 42 minus 2 minus 6 minus 12 minus 22. So therefore 42 minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, minus 8 minus 12 minus 20, minus 20 minus 22 minus 42. So plus 42 minus 42 cancel, we got that value is equal to 0. So after getting the final solution, final sphere equation, for your confirmation amma, just to do these types of cross checking process, okay, it is not part in the final solution, but okay, so to get the clarity or to get the confirmation whatever you obtain the final solution is whether wrong or correct or wrong, so just to do the just to do the verification process in this format. Why? Because the point is mentioned in the problem. If the sphere passing through the point, substitute that point in the final sphere equation. If you get LHS is equal to RHS, that is 0 is equal to 0, then the required equation is correct only. Okay, so this is the total explanation of this problem, Amma. I hope you understand this problem very well. In the next lecture, we are coming with a similar problem based on the same concept only. Again, sphere equation passing through circle only. Okay, but little bit different. So make a perfect practice. Prepare well. Until bye. Thank you.